The patterns that make up the beauty of our planet also drive the natural processes that sustain life. Over millions of years, plants and animals have adapted to these cycles, using natural changes in light, precipitation, and temperature as cues for day-to-day living. But as humans continue to alter the environment, we risk disrupting not only these intricate cycles, but also the delicate, natural balance they give rise to. Take forests, for example. Every spring, leaf-feeding insects hatch just before bud break to feast on the newly flushed leaves of forest trees. These two events, insect egg hatch and tree leaf flush, are cued by rising spring temperatures. But climate change threatens to alter these temperature cues. Current research on the long-standing relationship between trembling aspen and forest tent caterpillar show that higher spring temperature causes tree bud break to advance faster than caterpillar egg hatch. In a complete reversal of events, the caterpillar goes from hatching before bud break to after bud break. But how will such an extreme change affect the natural balance of forests? Could this mismatch in time throw off the balance of food webs? In trembling aspen, bud break timing is a highly diverse genetic trait. Under these new climate conditions, later flushing aspen will break bud in closer synchrony with forest tent caterpillar egg hatch. These trees may have historically relied on late bud break to distance themselves from insect pressure, and may be unaccustomed to heavy feeding. In contrast to earlier flushing aspen, these trees may invest less in special chemicals that deter caterpillar feeding. We are comparing the nutritional chemistry of early and late flushing aspen to determine if certain trees are better adapted to insect feeding than others. Knowing these differences will help determine whether climate change will place aspen at a greater risk of insect outbreak, and help to inform the management of a very precious resource, our forests.